Well, today we are rebuilding a portal in the Ocala turd. It's actually not that hard, and they're like $100 and something to rebuild a portal. For what portals are worth, I believe that they're great because we put thousands of miles on this side by side, and we're on the second rebuild. Well, the second portal we're rebuilding. We need to do all four, but we're just doing one at a time. But yeah, we rebuilt the other rear one. It wasn't that hard, but they just get a little shaking right there, and you replace the bearings and the seals. It's good to go. So when I drained this portal, straight water came out, nothing but water. And this bottom output shaft wiggles because there's the bearings loose now. And it's wiggling at the top too. Which means you have to rebuild. And yeah, that's what we're doing today. Brackets off. Stick your screwdriver in there, pop her open. Heat her up right where the bearing is. Yeah, that's what the other ones are ready. Heat her up, nice and hot. You'll slam it. It's hot. You slam it down on the table or a block of wood or something, it should pop right out. So I did stop recording, but basically after you knock your bearings out, you put your new ones in, put your gasket in. Not these gaskets, but the gasket that goes around here. Put that in, and you basically just put everything together. Tighten your two bolts. Make sure everything's lined up right. Make sure everything turns. And it's hard. But after that, you take it, put in all your seals, put them nice and even. I like to put a little grease around them so they slide in better. And for a better seal. Well, yeah, it's pretty simple to rebuild these things. Not hard. Oh. Reinstall your new seals for your axle nut holder, axle nut cover. I don't know what they call it. Take and reinstall your hub. So it's got grease on it. I like to put any seals or grease on them just so they don't stick and are easier to come off. Screw your nut on. Your big old socket comes with the portals. 41 millimeter. Oh, actually, you're supposed to add oil too. That's for later. Reinstall your tire, add some oil. You're ready to ride. So with Can-Am, their belt boxes, they have these little nut things that go inside of the plastic, and they like to strip out when you try to unbolt them. They just spin inside of there, so you have to spin them till they spin all the way out and melt out. So yeah, that was fun. That was one of the reasons why I had to get a new back cover, and then I had to get a front cover too, because when I tried to pull it off, it would not come out because I was too lazy to pull the floorboard out, and it exploded the belt box, or cracked the belt box. So Tuesday night, one night before we leave to go to Iron Horse, my belt box will be here to put on. But until then, it's just sitting like this with the clutch out, getting all rusty. Yeah. So everything's back together. We're on our way to Iron Horse now. Got the transmission back in, and last night get it all back together. We put it in 2 nights ago, and then I finished it up yesterday night. Put the belt box. So we went to a dealership, bought a belt box. They ordered the wrong one. That's always great. So I'm borrowing a belt box. Teryx has got new tie rods on. Porto's rebuilt. She's ready to ride. We're on our way out though. So that's gonna be the end of this video.